Describe, O jewel among seers, the whole life on this earth of Lord Sri Ram, whose mind is ever given to piety and who is full of wisdom. Tell the story of that hero as heard by you from the lips of Narad. Whatever account, known or unknown, there is of the old all-wise Sri Ram as well as of Lakshman, the son of Sumitra, nay, of all the Rakshasas who fought with and were killed by him, and whatever account, known or unknown, there is of Sita, the forest daughter of Janak, all that will be revealed to you, even though unknown at present. No description of yours in this poem that will be composed by you will prove false. Render the sacred and soul ravishing story of Sri Ram into similar verses. The theme of the Ramayana will continue to be popular in all the three worlds so long as mountains and rivers will remain on the surface of the earth, and you will abide both higher up in the heavenly regions and below on earth, according to your choice, in the worlds of my creation, so long as the narrative of Sri Ram composed by you will remain current. Saying so, the Almighty Brahma went out of sight on the very spot. Thereupon, the glorious sage Valmiki was filled with wonder along with his pupils, Bharadwaj and others. Then all his pupils repeated the aforesaid words uttered by their teacher, and getting delighted again and again, spoke to one another of as follows, greatly astonished at the honor conferred on their teacher by the Creator himself by calling on him of his own accord. What was uttered by the great sage Valmiki in 4 feet consisting of an equal number of syllables was nothing but his grief converted into a verse because of its being voiced by him. The thought occurred to the great sage of purified mind that he should compose the entire poem of the Ramayana in such verse similar to the one already uttered by him out of grief. The illustrious sage, endowed as he was with a Catholic outlook, then composed it in hundreds and thousands of soul ravishing verses with their feet, comprising an even number of syllables and consisting of words depicting the noble deeds of the glorious Sri Ram, a poem which has brought great renown to him. Hear, O devout souls, the story of the chief of the Raghus, composed by the sage Valmiki and culminating in the destruction of Ravan, the 10-headed monster, the story in which compounds the conjunction of letters and the combination of root words with their suffixes, etc., figure in their proper places, and which is made up of expressions of uniform beauty, sweet to hear and marked with perspicuity. Thus ends Canto 2 in the Balkand of the glorious Ramayana of Valmiki, the work of a rishi and the oldest epic. नमस्कार. यहाँ पे पहले जो चैप्टर था उसमें हमने देखा कैसे वाल्मीकि जी ने नारद जी से पूछा राम कि कोई ऐसे पुरुष की व्याख्या कर सकते हैं आप जिनमें मतलब कोई दोष नहीं है, और बहुत सारे सवाल पूछे. उसके जवाब में नारद जी ने उनसे राम जी का पूरा एक कथा जो है वो शॉर्ट में बताया. और उसके बाद ऋषि वाल्मीकि अपने दोपहर के समय तमस नदी के पास चले गए. वहाँ जाके वो अपना मतलब पूजा अर्चना की तैयारी करने के लिए गए. वहाँ उन्होंने देखा कि 2 क्रेन्स थे वहाँ पे, और उनको देख के वो बड़े खुश हो रहे थे. तो उसी वक्त एक निषाद ने जो मेल क्रेन था उसके ऊपर वान चलाया और वो तड़पता हुआ मर गया. जब वो तड़पता हुआ मर रहा था तो उनकी जो संगिनी थी वो बड़ी उसको बहुत दुख हुआ. और जब वो मतलब अपना दुख व्यक्त कर रही थी, रो रही थी, उस वक्त ऋषि वाल्मीकि को इतना गुस्सा आया कि उन्होंने सीधे सीधे उसको निषाद को श्राप दे दिया। मगर उन्होंने जो श्राप दिया वो एक कविता की पंक्ति के हिसाब से दिया। तो बड़े आश्चर्य हुआ उनको, और उनके जो शिष्य थे भरद्वाज, उनसे उन्होंने बोला कि ये मतलब जो ये है, मैं इसी आधार पे मैं अपना काव्य रचना करूँगा। तो भरद्वाज ने उसको क्या बोलेंगे, पाठ अपना बंगाली में मुस्त बोलते हैं, अपने आप उन्होंने उसको स्मरण कर लिया। और वापस जब आए तो ब्रह्मा जी आए, ब्रह्मा जी के सामने ऋषि ने फिर से यही बात कही। तो ब्रह्मा जी ने बोला कि आप पूरा रामायण इसी के आधारित पे, इसी श्लोक के आधारित पे, इसी ऐसे ही पंक्तियों के आधारित आप रामायण पूरा रचना कीजिए, और भविष्य में जो घटनाएं घटने वाले हैं वो घटनाओं के बारे में भी आपको सब ज्ञात हो जाएगा। मतलब करीब करीब उनको आप कह सकते हो दिव्य दृष्टि दे दिया गया। नमस्कार।